Hello guys, here we have the new bookshelf loudspeaker from Polk. It's the new one, the new series Reserve. This is the Reserve R200. It's the bookshelf speaker, as I said. There are two models in this line of bookshelf speakers, and this is the top one. There is the R100, but this R200 is the upper model from bookshelf speakers of this Reserve lineup. We're gonna do the presentation here. As you can see, there is a sticker there says be careful, because the tweeter has this pinnacle there, looks like the Legend one. So we will uncover the loudspeaker. It comes in this plastic bag, and then there is a cloth bag for protection, because speakers are very sensitive. On the box you will find this manual. It's very thick, as you can see, covers all the lineup, all the speakers, and has, let's have a look inside, and has all the details and the guidelines how to set it up and how to maintain and treat it carefully. So this is the manual, owner's manual. This is the way to set up a 5.2 configuration, because this lineup has a lot of speakers, even center speakers and Dolby Atmos speakers as well, that you can put them on the wall or on the big ones, the R700, the floor standing. So here are the specs. We have the 200. This is has a 6.5 woofer. The sensitivity is 86 dB. The crossover frequency is 3 kHz. And what else to say? The impedance, minimum one, is 3.8 ohms. So this is the speaker that we're gonna check. So we'll continue the unboxing. We remove the plastic bag first. And then there is the cover here, the grill. As you can see, it's in gray finish, very nice cloth. You see it. Sticks with magnets in its place. There are pads here with very nice material in order not to make noise when you put the cover on the speaker. Then we have to remove this nice cloth bag. You have to be careful. Look at the tweeter there. You have to be careful about this. And look at the air. It has a lot of aspects, a lot of new technologies coming from the Legend lineup, which is very expensive, down to these affordable speakers. You see the terminals for the cables. So we remove the speaker, we remove the cloth, and here we are. This is the speaker. So here is the tweeter, the Pinnacle one. You see this face plug there. It's like a pin. It's very sharp, special designed, and the woofer, the 6.5 inches woofer. It's like a turbine. Reminds the Legend series. You see this texture and shape on the cone. It's very you can recognize from this shape that this speaker is from the Reserve line. So the finish is very nice. It's like a vinyl, curves around here. We have curves on the back, the base reflex, sport, special designed as well. And then we have the terminals. This is the R200 Reserve. This is the thickness of the speaker, the back and the front. So it's beautiful all around, and probably plays beautifully as well. The special tweeter and the special driver down there. So the driver, the woofer, remains in its place with 4 wood screws. Let's have a look underneath. We have these pads, these elastic pads. There are 4 of these, 1 per corner, in order to isolate the speaker from the bass or the bookshelf or the office or whatever where you put them. So here is the woofer. As you can see, it's very powerful, very robust, metallic chassis. It's very well made, from Polk Audio. We see the terminals there. The woofer in its own glory here, in all glory. So I can see the voice coil down there. It moves like this, so it's very well designed. The magnet is very strong. You see, from this window we can see how it moves, the extraction and the magnet. Beautiful made. Underneath it's like this. So inside the speaker we have this isolation material. The crossover is down there on the bottom of the speaker. You see this coil is very, very big. If you take out the wire of this coil, maybe it's 20 and more meters length. So we see some resistors down there. It's very well made speaker. Polk is betting a lot on this lineup. So we have another coil, inductor, capacitor, that yellow capacitor there. So it's very well made, the crossover. The cables are isolated. You see they are covered with a special foam in order to not to vibrate and to perform good, because all the modern speakers, they are using this kind of protection around the cables. Polk is doing the same. This is the thickness of the cabinet, of the baffle. Then we have the tweeter on the back. The tweeter is this one. So inside, this is the bass reflex port, as you can see. It's not a regular one, it's special designed. There is this rope there inside the tube for better performance. It's tuned for very low frequencies. So this, by this way, we have less noises and more clean bass and upper bass as well. So it's a special technology. It's an old technology that Polk has registered this technology with a patent. It's a very old one from decades back. So this is the deep unboxing, let's say, of the new reserve speakers R200 from Polk Audio, because you asked for.